All right, if you love both food and history, our guest today has both of those things wrapped into one. Chef Marti Mongiello is from the Inn of the Patriots in Grover, North Carolina. Hey, Chef, how you doing? Good to see you.
I'm doing great today. It's getting hot out there.
Oh, I know it. I know it. We can't complain too much, though, because before we know it, it'll be snowing. Hey, I know the Inn of the Patriots is closed right now because of the pandemic, but that doesn't mean the learning stops. And you're highlighting one former president and his wife's fine china, right?
Yes, we have the Truman China here, and Bess and Harry Truman loved going to see Disneyland. Today is the grand opening day of Disney in 1955, July 17th. And here we have a golden ticket, a 24-karat gold ticket that we got from Disney.
Oh my goodness, how cool. Now, of course, the Inn of the Patriots is a presidential culinary museum. You and I have spoken many times about all of the wonderful things that you have there. What is it about seeing some of these personal items that gives us a special kind of insight into these former presidents and their families?
Well, here's a perfect answer to that. This sat on President Truman's desk in the Oval Office forever. And everyone who ever came in to see him always commented, yeah, he has a sign on his desk that says the buck stops here. But the thing that people have never seen across the earth is the president was looking at on the other side. This side faced him. I'll turn this around and show it to the audience today. He always had this funny slogan, I'm from Missouri, you have to show me. But most people who came into the Oval Office, that's all they ever saw was this.
Uh-huh. So he saw the other side, and the rest of the peeps saw the what you just showed. That's really, really cool. Hey, I know you're not open, as we said, during the pandemic, but really super, super fast. What's the website so people can still come and learn more about the Inn of the Patriots?
The best thing is just our name, www.theinofthepatriots.com, and also presidentialculinarymuseum.com. So thank you.
Absolutely. I know this is fast, but thanks for hanging out with us for a little bit today, Chef Marti. We appreciate it. You all do continue to be well, okay?
Bye, guys.
All right. Thanks for joining us today, everybody, at noon. We'll see you back here, QC at 3 and First at 4.